Now we're going to talk about Grand Plié in first and second and fourth, fifth position. The concept is pretty much same thing that we just spoke about in demi plié. The only thing happens is, so arms, let's say, open in second position. We go demi plié, E goes one, opens. You keep those heels till you feel the Achilles start pushing it, which is more like stretching, not pushing. And then you go lift them, but you don't sit on your legs. Then you push the heels quickly down, E, and goes up. So we're going to do with the counts. It's very important that you do with those counts. We're going to go E with the arm follows 1, 2, 3, 4. E, 5, heel 6, 7, 8. Okay? Same thing in the second position. E goes 1. E, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 counts you go down, 4 counts you go up. You don't want to do all those Grand Pliés choppy, which means like chop, 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 yeah? So all the positions from here, allongé has to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shifting to the fourth position, tendu, head stays. E, as we know, we're standing on both legs, hips in the center, left arm in front, thumb on top of the bar. E, we're going to go Grand Plié, allongé, 1, keep those heels. This is going to really help you to do the pirouettes. Keep till the end. E, 1, hold your back, don't drop your back. Heels first, down, together. You see how you should push this one and this one? So you want to put both heels together. Heels and open. Okay, again, 4 counts. Again, E goes 1, 2, 3, head, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tendu, E, 1. As we know, we don't push this back. We stay tall. Arm is in front, wrist is in place. E, close fifth. E goes, same thing, 1. As you can see, that right hip is going forward. We got to keep it back. E, open. So really make fluid movement with the 8 counts on both legs. Again, your pliés is going to be the most difficult exercise, but most beneficial for you for the future of your dancing career, or just maybe for exercise. You're going to really understand how to control your own body.